Welcome back to another Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. I just wanted to put that out there. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers and the feedback that we got from our wonderful spinach artichoke dip. It went well. It went down really well. So thank you very much. Thanks again for LA optometry. Today we're going to do another simple little menu. It's going to be my simple Chipotle adobe spread sauce. And it's nice and spicy, tastes wonderful, and you can put it on anything you like, either chip or any type of little spread that you would like to put it on. But it's really, really simple, really delicious, and I'll get to that menu right now. So this recipe, like I said, it's very simple. This is the Chipotle in adobe sauce, and it's very, very simple. Like I said, it's very easy to make. And it's very delicious. And when you have a little party, a little soiree, this is a great little introduction, or how would you say it? Something that you can have to start the party or get the event going. So I'm going to put 3 cans, and I believe these are, I think, 12 ounces. But it's the Chipotle in the adobe sauce. And you just put them in the processor like this, and you buy them at your local grocery store. And it's that simple. I'm going to add some fresh garlic. Excuse me for a second, I forgot my spoon. And here we go with the fresh, I buy this minced garlic. It's really good. I love a lot of garlic, so this is one of the fun ingredients that I add to my little spread sauce here. I put about 3 tablespoons of the garlic. I also put tomato sauce. This is 1 cup of tomato sauce, along with the cans of Chipotle and adobe sauce. So if you like a lot of heat, then you don't necessarily have to put the tomato sauce in there. That's for me, because I like to simmer it and so it doesn't kill your palate. And then this is olive oil, and just to maybe about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then a little bit of vinegar, 2 capfuls full, about that much. There we go. Salt, very simple, to your taste. I like it a little salty. There you go. And then we just place this on here and we emulsify it in our processor. So this is it, folks. The Chipotle and adobe sauce, emulsified. You saw what I did with the ingredients. So here's the finished product. I got my taster again. It's costing a lot of money to have her. And this is upon her request. So she likes chips, and I prefer to dip it in some good old-fashioned Wonder Bread. This stuff is the best. My mother used to call it white trash bread. So I'm going to do a little white trash bread. Delicious.
You don't have to cut that out.
No. It's sure, you know, it's good stuff.
Delicious.
Wow. Very good. Excuse me, but I'm gonna go in for a second. Diving that in.
This is so good on eggs too. Anybody that likes Chipotle like I do, you can have it in with your eggs with some toast. Oh my God, it's so bomb. Bomb diggity.
Very good. Thank you guys once again. Stop chefing around, get tasting and get cooking, and we're all gonna be good.
Right on.
Thank you.
Thank you.